In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to contact seller on AliExpress 2025. Step by step copy. If you're shopping on AliExpress and need to ask about sizing, shipping, or an order issue, reaching the seller directly is the fastest way to get accurate answers and keep everything protected inside the platform. First, log into your AliExpress account. You can do this on the mobile app or on the website. Being signed in matters because it links your conversation to your profile and orders, and it ensures you'll see replies in your message center. If you often browse while logged out, take a second to sign in before you start. Next, search for the product. Use the search bar, paste a product link, or if you've already purchased, open your orders page and select the item. Either path will take you to the product page that's connected to the correct store. On the product page, scroll down to the seller or store section. You'll see the store name, its rating, and sometimes a quick overview of how responsive they are. This is a good moment to glance at the rating so you know who you're talking to, but don't worry, every store has the same messaging option. Now tap Contact Seller or Message. On mobile, this button usually appears near the store header. On desktop, you'll find it on the right side or within the store profile. Tapping it opens a chat window where you can start the conversation. Type your message clearly and concisely. State what you need and include helpful details like the product link, variation, color or size, and if you already ordered, your order number. Simple language helps with automatic translation, and being polite and specific speeds up the response. If the interface allows, you can attach photos or screenshots to show exactly what you mean. When you're ready, tap Send. Your message goes directly to the seller. You'll usually receive a reply within 24 to 48 hours, depending on time zones and weekends. Replies appear in your AliExpress messages, and you may also get a notification from the app or by email. If you don't see a response right away, give it a little time. Many stores operate across different regions. That's all there is to it. By logging in, finding the product, opening the store section, and messaging through Contact Seller, you keep the conversation on platform, which helps with tracking and buyer protection. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you get quick, clear answers from any AliExpress seller.